What's up, fuckers? No Excuses Coach back here again. Guess what? Day 3, baby. Day 3. I want to talk to you today about 5 things. As your coach, whether you hire me or not, I'm still your coach. Here's the things I want you to pay attention to. Your hydration, your sleep, your nutrition, your exercise, and your vitamin D. Those components alone, when put together on a continuous basis, can really have dramatic effects on your mindset, on your focus, and ultimately on your results and the confidence that you get. Making sure you get hydration, half your body weight in ounces of water. I'm not a doctor, go check it out. But half your body weight in ounces of water. Your body's made up like a 78% of water. And when you're dehydrated, you make shitty decisions, you don't feel very good. Sleep, you gotta get deep sleep, REM sleep. I gotta suggest an Oura ring. I have an Oura ring. Nutrition, get rid of the sugar, get rid of the wheat, get rid of the gluten, get rid of the inflammation. You'll start feeling better. Exercise and vitamin D, baby. That'll make you kick ass unstoppable. NoExcusesCoach.com. Love you guys.